What is up, you guys, and welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I have a tech video for you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some secret iPhone hacks that you probably do not know. So if you have an Android, I'm sorry, now's your time to click off. But if you guys want to learn some of these hacks, then keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so for hack numero uno, this one is if you guys get scam likely calls just like me. I get it every single morning. They call me and they leave me voicemails that I don't even understand. I always get spam calls. And this lady. If you guys want to get rid of those, I have a solution for you. So you're going to want to go to your settings, and then you're going to scroll down once you find the phone. So click phone. Oh my god, my phone number shows up. Gotta cut that out. Then you're gonna go to silence unknown callers. So where it says silence unknown callers, you are gonna turn that on, and then from now on, no one that is not on your contacts will contact you. So I just realized that I had a big glare with my glasses, so I took them off. But anyway, for hack number two, this one is if you guys want to rearrange your apps or delete apps, but you don't want to do it one by one because that can take forever. So say I have all these iPhone apps that I don't even use. So for example, wallet, and I want to put it in a folder. So if I do it one by one, it's going to take forever. But if I hold one and with another finger I click on the other apps, you can combine them all. So I'm going to put all these that I don't use. So it says I have 6 in them, and then I just drop it into that. Click the folder and then drop it into that folder, and there you go. That just saved me a bunch of time, and I did it all in one click. Alright, you guys, this next hack is a calculator hack, and say you guys are adding up a lot of numbers and you don't want to mess up, but say you do mess up and you're like, damn, I have to start over and tally all these numbers again. So say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I needed 1, 2, 3, 5, 1,235. I would just slide it. There we go. And now it's 1, 2, 3, and then I put 1,235, and I don't have to start over. So you can do that with anything. You can slide, 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 and then add whatever number, and then just keep sliding, and they delete. Okay, so that's another way that you can delete numbers without starting over and doing all these calculations over again. Next hack is if you guys want to send one of those cool animations on your phone, on iMessage, like the fireworks or the balloons for someone's birthday, but you don't know how to do it. So I'm going to show you. So you're going to want to go to someone's message. You're going to want to hold on to the send button. So hold on, and it'll give you this new page which says send with effect or that stuff. So you're going to want to click on screen, and then you have a bunch of these different options. You can slide it, and it's a spotlight. You have the balloon effect, confetti, and a big ol' heart with love. So you guys can do all those, and you can also customize the little message bubble. So you can do the slam, loud, gentle, and the invisible ink, which I don't really know what that is. But yeah, that's a way you guys can send cool iMessages. Okay, and this next hack is if you guys are trying to scan documents, send PDF files to someone, but you don't have a printer or you don't have those expensive PDF apps. So a simple way to scan documents is using your notes. So you're going to want to hold on to your notes, go down to scan document, and then you guys can literally scan anything. I'm going to scan my hand, which I don't think my hand's going to work, but let's scan my phone case. I don't know. Anyway, you guys get the point, but that is a simple way to... Oh. What the heck? That's a simple way that you guys can scan your guys' documents and all that stuff. And you guys keep it on your notes, send it through there, send it through iMessage, but that is a way to scan your documents for free. Okay, so for this next hack, this is probably one of my favorites, but this is how you can play music while recording on your iPhone. Now normally you guys can record on Snapchat, but if you guys want to do some cool shots or something with music playing in the background, I have a music player app, so I am going to play. I have a copyright copyright free version. So I'm gonna play that. Then I'm gonna go onto my, hold on, let me lower it. I'm gonna go into my camera, and then you're gonna go to photo. So once you're on photo, you're gonna hold it and slide it to the right. So once it's locked, you guys can record with the music on, and yeah. So kind of like a part 2 to this one. You guys are on the photo part, you guys can slide up, and you do get the option of the flash, which I didn't know about that because I would always click on the flash but it would never turn on, so I never really knew how to turn it on. But you guys do also get all these cool options like timer, filters, and you guys do get the video size ratios, which you guys can do 16:9 if you guys are filming for YouTube. And yeah, that's perfect YouTube size. You guys can also do the music on top of that, so it's really cool. Probably one of my favorite iPhone hacks, and yeah, you guys should try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of these secret hacks for your guys' iPhones. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys have not. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you guys. See you on the next one.